If you have ever struggled with restoring old photos, branding a plain van with a logo, swiping backgrounds to teleport a scene, or even adding props and objects and textures that look 100% real, you are going to love this video. Google just launched Nano Banana. This AI photo editor is inside Gemini and it transforms image with simple text prompts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and walk you through 20 powerful use cases and explain why this tool is a game changer for creators right now. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create studio quality edits in seconds without Photoshop or expensive software. Let's dive in. Alright, now you know what Nano Banana is capable of doing. Let's see how you can access it. There are three main ways. The first one is that you can actually access it from LM Arena. You can also access it from OpenArt and also through Google AI Studio. So out of these three ways I mentioned to you guys, I prefer using Google AI Studio to access Nano Banana. This is because LM Arena is like a guesswork. Your results might not actually be produced using Nano Banana. OpenArt is good, but once your free credit exhausts, you cannot access it again except you are subscribed to their premium plan. Guys, for you to access Nano Banana from Google AI Studio, go to your browser and search for aistudio.google.com. You can see the interface right here. Very place that says generate media. This is where you're going to see some other generative media in Google AI Studio. So one of the newest feature on Google AI Studio is Gemini native image. So this Gemini native image, this is where the Nano Banana model is. So once you have tapped on the Gemini native image, this is the interface you are going to see. So on this interface, I want to upload in my image. So this image is an image which is nearly destroyed and cracked. So I want Nano AI, which is the model which I'm using, for it to restore this my image. So for me to do that, I'm going to tap on this plus icon to upload in my image. So if I want to upload an image which is already saved in my device, as you can see right here, this is the image which I uploaded into Google AI Studio. Remember, I'm using the Nano Banana model. So at this very place that has a text, I'm going to kind of delete it because this text is not my text. So I have to delete it, the text. So this is the text which I wrote. This text is like an action prompt which I'm telling Nano Banana what it should do to my image. This is me giving Nano Banana an instruction of how it should restore my image. You get, I've put in my text prompt and I've also uploaded in my image. I'm going to tap on run. So guys, as you can see, this is the result of what I got. You can see it's model response, so you can see how this has actually cleared and brought my image back to life. Guys, this looks so nice. So if you're okay with what you have right here, I'm going to tap on it and you can see where I tried save image. So I'm going to download it into my device. Nano Banana actually understands what is called contextual design. So take for instance your logo, maybe you're into delivery and all that, and you just have an image of a van and you want to like blend your logo into that van, into that delivery van. Using Nano Banana, this can actually and seamlessly blend your logo into real world surfaces like vehicles and all that. So guys, for you to achieve this, that means you have to upload in two images. I'm going to tap on this plus icon and tap on upload image. I've tapped on upload image. I've already downloaded an image of my delivery van and also an image for my logo. So I'm going to select the two images, which is my delivery van image and my logo image. Right here, I've uploaded in my two images, which is my van image and also my logo image. So since I've uploaded the two, At this place that says start typing a prompt, that's where I'm going to put in my action prompt. Where I usually get my action prompt is usually from ChatGPT. So you need to like explain everything to ChatGPT for it to give you the right prompt, which is going to give you the right result. So I'm going to paste in my action prompt. What I mean action prompt is what I want this AI model, how I want it to process the information which I gave to it. So once I've done this, I'm going to tap on run. This doesn't take much time. It's going to generate. You can see this is our result. This looks so nice, as if like they did this in real life, guys. Another use case is character merging. You can actually merge two characters. You can see in this photo, these are two different characters, a male and a female. So with Nano Banana, I was able to merge these two characters and they are now in one scene, even having some facial expressions, taking selfie in this scene. So you can actually try out this particular use case. So guys, this particular image you are seeing, you're going to find out that there are spots on this lady's face, like blemishes on this lady's face. So with my text prompt, I was able to convert it from what it is right now to this smooth natural skin, and it did not even distort either the hair or the face of this lady. With your text prompt in Nano Banana, you can actually make someone look younger or older. So you can see in this case, this man you're seeing right now is way more younger than this result you are seeing. So with my text prompt, I was able to make him look like he is in his 60s. You get me? So you can also try out this use case. I want to create a consistent character or avatar. So say for instance, this particular image you're seeing, she is in a neutral background. So I want her to be in another, like to be another character. So you can see her, this new character she is looking like vintage, like she's in the vintage era. While another character, I want her to be in an anime style. So you can see just with my text prompt, I was able to do all of this using Nano Banana. I think Nano Banana actually understands sequential arrangement of items. In this image, you're going to see that there is just one item in it. So I prompted that it should first of all add a laptop, then it should add a teacup close to it, and also a headset. So from my result, you can see that the teacup is actually next to the laptop, then followed by the headset. You can change colors and have different variations of your product using Nano Banana. So guys, this particular image is a perfume. So I want to change its color to have this kind of blue shade on it. So guys, this is what I got using Nano Banana. Also, I actually changed the color of this game controller. I want it to have this like purple light glow on it. So this is what it gave to me. So this is like different variations of the same product. This particular image, I want to remove the other people in the background, and I still want to leave this particular subject in the image. So I just want this subject to be the only person in this image, while the other people in the background should clear off. After I prompted, this is what I got as my result. You can also make a subject to hold or wear anything at all. So guys, in this particular image, you can see that this man is just standing and he's not holding anything. So I prompted that he should be holding a coffee cup and also be wearing a sunglass. And this was what I got as my result. You can actually make any image to have any facial expression, just like what you are seeing right now. This original image is just neutral, but with my text prompt, I was able to make the subject in this image to smile. You can actually change the lightning of any image. So guys, take for instance, in this particular image, this is like a normal daylight. So I want to change the lightning from normal daylight to like golden hour lightning. So this is what I got as my result. can actually change the outfits of your virtual models. So guys, you can see that what this lady is putting on in this image is a white casual top. So I was able to just change the outfit she's wearing from this casual wear to this professional looking wear. Apart from changing the outfit of your virtual model, you can also change the hair color and hairstyle of your virtual model. So in this case, you can see that this image, she has a short hair. So I was able to change it just with my prompt. I was able to give it this deep red colored hair and it looks so natural. And I was able to convert this hair to another type of hair which is coily but a different color. You can make any character to be in any scene and it will look so perfect as though they were there initially. So guys, with my text prompt, I was able to convert the scene which this character was initially to this scene that is happening somewhere in Paris. With a well-structured prompt, you can add a text behind a character. So with my text prompt, I was able to add this text behind my character using Nano Banana. You can actually change the texture of your product image. So guys, you can see that this image is a leather bag. So I was able to change the texture of this image from what it is to a marble kind of texture. This just happened using my text prompt. With just your text prompt, Nano Banana can actually convert an image into a full bold makeup. With your text prompts, you can add subtle makeup to your model's face. So say for instance, this particular image, there is no makeup on it. So with my text prompts, I was able to add like blushes to the face, eyeliner, and kind of enhance the face of this model. With Nano Banana, you can transform a plain portrait into an elf, a cyberpunk cyborg, or any mythical character.